Hello, and welcome to the science orientation video for the Keller virtual learning option. This video will give you an overview of the science lesson design for grades K through 4. For grades K through 4, you will see 2 science lessons a week with an assessment or graded activity appearing on Fridays. When we have a 4-day week, like this first week, you will not see an assessment for the week. This course is shared with social studies, so you will alternate days between the different contents. For example, this week you will start with a science lesson, and then you will have a social studies lesson, and so on. In kindergarten and first grade, we practice standards based grading. Therefore, in those grades, you will see a performance target with a linked caregiver guided task and a simple rubric for scoring each Friday. In second through fourth grade, the Friday assessments or graded activities will appear in a multiple choice format at the end of the lesson for the week within the Canvas course. On the left hand side of the lesson, you will always find a learning target. The learning target states what the student is working to understand in that lesson. Sometimes the lesson target is a single day, and sometimes the same learning target will take several lessons to master. Additionally, on the left, you will find caregiver support. This section will provide content background, definitions, and even some questions you might want to ask your student in various contexts as they work through their lessons for the week. At the bottom of the slide, on the left, you will find the lesson overview. This will be a roadmap of sorts for the items the student will work through on the right-hand side of each lesson. Each K through 4 lesson will consist of a similar format on the right-hand side. A read section, which might be a written document, a definition, or a content related read aloud. A watch section that will always be a topic aligned video for students to further process the learning target. Next, they will see an engage section. This is where your student will actually do something to interact with the material in a more meaningful way. These tasks will very often involve manipulating items and demonstrating comprehension. The last section is an extend. This is an optional additional content exploration provided for your student should they have additional time or further interest in a particular topic. Anything your student is asked to complete in their science notebook should occur on the next blank page that they have available in their dedicated science notebook. If students are able, we recommend adding a date or even part of the learning target to the top of the page to help organize the learning for future reference. We're wishing you all the best this year and hope you have a great experience in virtual learning.